Hello, everyone, and welcome in. So, I'm going to start off with today's precipitation. Of course, welcome into Sam's Weather. I am Sam, and this is a short live stream covering precipitation, temperature, and severe storms. I just, I, s- I'm not really a forecaster. I'm just reporting the weather as I see it. So, I can look at the forecast, but I can't guarantee that that's right. But I can point out what is actually going on right now. So, in the Northeast, we do not have any rain of note, including Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, New York, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. So, and also, we do have some storms in the south. So we'll get to them later. I want to focus on these storms here in Missouri because they are currently under tornado watches here. I haven't seen any uh, tornado warnings. That does not mean that they haven't happened or aren't happening right now. So this one looks like it's right over Farmington right here. This looks almost like this looks like it's near Bismarck. It looks like the comma shaped, so this could be a tornado here. Able to and able to form also outside of the main cell here, such as these little pop-ups right here and along through here, down through the south, down towards Branson, stretching all the way up to, this is where most of the tornado watches are, up to DeSoto, Bloomsdale. We'll look at the watches, but I'm just pointing out this is very heavy rain here. We click on it, we can see the rate, and it says hail too with it. It's indicating hail here with rate localized rates of 5¼ inches an hour, which is intense. Here, 12, almost 12½ inches of hour with hail in it. And then we've got some intense lightning over here, and this is showing precipitation rates of 6 inches an hour. And here we have, just real close to Davisville, we have another little storm cell, 6½ inches. I'm seeing, yes, pretty very heavy rain in these areas. Expect also flash flooding too. These, I see some pop-ups out in front of the main there. This has some lightning about to 1 to 2 inches an hour. Let's see. I also have pretty heavy rain traveling north into Missouri. And also, uh, not Missouri, Illinois. I mean, I know my states, I promise. Sorry about that. Havana, Illinois. It's got a thunderstorm. Bradford, Illinois. These are some storms here, and I also Conesville, Dayfield, got rain there. Central City. It looks like all across Wisconsin we have pretty heavy rain. There's a, it's just, I see a lightning strike right there, but it doesn't look like these are quite as severe as down south. This goes Kenosha, Oshkosh, even Green Bay, Wausau. Madison has a break right now, but it's going to keep raining. Into Iowa a little bit here. Waterloo, got some rain showers. Just west of Des Moines. And then this band of rain kind of stretches down into the southwest portion of Iowa. Indiana, we've got scattered rain showers. No thunderstorms yet, but some of this could turn into rain, into thunder, lightning. Michigan, got scattered light rain right now, but up into the UP here, got some thunderstorms, and even across the entire northern portion of the state. And here, a couple of Missouri Bay, got a lightning strikes there. Ohio, have got rain showers in the western portion from all the way from Toledo right down to Cincinnati. Some pretty steady rain there. Let's see, Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota look pretty dry right now. Montana's pretty dry. There's a couple of little rain showers. In actually across Yellowstone, light rain. Western Nebraska, I see a thunderstorm just northeast of Scotts Bluff with a couple of recent lightning strikes. Down into the southeast corner of Wyoming, there's some little thunderstorms here just west of Pine Bluffs and east of Cheyenne. Colorado, got rain showers across the central portion of Colorado here, and there's a thunderstorm down here near Walsenburg and Fur. It looks like could have possibility of some hail in there. There's also scattered rain showers out here just east of Pagosa Springs. Very light rain. New Mexico. Got some rain showers in the northeast corner and thunderstorms just southeast of Albuquerque, Edgewood, Stanza. out here just north to northwest of Roswell, actually. Got a line of thunderstorms stretching almost like all the way across the state and into Texas. This portion of the state we get goes from the southwest corner up through Las Cruces. Then there's a little gap here, and this continues out into Texas. I've got some heavy rain and hail near Hart, Texas. This one looks like it's near Enox, Littlefield. Got hail and lightning with these. There's also some rain showers across the kind of like just the rest of northern Texas, but not towards Dallas, between Wichita Falls and Snyder. And the eastern portion of this storm is near Stanford and Olney. This little rain shower. It's actually kind of, if you line this up, it almost looks like it's part of the same front here that stretches out into Missouri. The rest of Texas looks pretty dry right now. Arizona, we do have some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the southeast corner here and along the state line. Just a few little pop-ups. Utah, got a light rain shower in the mountains here between Dry Fork and Moon Lake Lodge. Kind of pointed out these rain showers here across Wyoming already. Montana we already looked at. Idaho looks pretty dry right now. Zoom out a little bit. Washington, dry. Oregon's no precipitation of note in Nevada or California. Let's head down to the south. Got this storm that's pretty much across the central portion of Alabama. And it goes, the rain showers go right over Pensacola, Mobile, and the center of this storm is between Pintlala and Tuskegee, and it goes as far south as Troy. There's another set of storms just south of that, from Elba to Brundage. I'm probably butchering that town name, but I'm gonna still try to pronounce them. And if I'm pronouncing it wrong, please correct me. There's rain showers here in Dothan too. And then in Georgia, we've got one thunderstorm near Cordelli and Vienna. I'm not going to pronounce that name, but there is another thunderstorm just west of Pearson. And then there's also a few pop-ups between Fargo, Georgia, and Homerville. And then along the coast here. And this when we start to get into Florida here, Jacksonville, we've got a thunderstorm right over them. And this is rain showers associated with that down into Gainesville. And we got a little pop up here near Chiefland, then along the shoreline. It's actually not, it's kind of near this town name. I'm going to get Bill to do this portion of the live stream with all the Florida names. I'm sure that he can pronounce them all. I cannot. Homosassa Springs has a rain shower right now. And as we head down the coast, Tampa's pretty dry. Bradenton's pretty dry. Cape Coral, Naples, no precipitation of note. Through central Florida, even Orlando's looking pretty dry. And let's see, we gotta zoom in. Merritt Island, no precipitation there. West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, looks pretty dry. Even Miami here. Keys, not too much going on there. Go ahead and look at Alaska and Hawaii. Got some rain showers out here in the western portion of Alaska, Hooper Bay, Bethel, Hawaii. I don't see any precipitation of note. It's pretty dry today in Hawaii. Be a good day to go visit the volcano. Japan. Northern Japan's got some rain showers up here. Tokyo looks pretty dry right now. Philippines, have our usual storms. These look were focused across the northern part, northeastern portion of the Philippines, down into the central islands. Palawan's dry for now. Go ahead and look at Europe real quick. We have scattered light rain in England and Scotland. Ireland, Northern Ireland's got a few rain showers too. London looks dry right now. But it looks like there is a rain shower near Bradford. And then this heads down south to Stoke-on-Trent. There's also one just west of Manchester, and this kind of just turns into really light rain. Whitehaven, and also the northwestern portion of Scotland. Got rain on the islands here. The Western Isles here. Then rest of Europe, we have some rain showers and thunderstorms in central Germany down into southern Germany. Poland's got a thunderstorm. Just north of Warsaw. And I also see these storms here are in northern Italy too. Iceland. Gotta look at the capital, of course, Reykjavik. There's some very light rain on the peninsula here. See that echoes here, right, and also in the eastern portion of the island, we've got some scattered light rain. Canada, Newfoundland, got a couple of rain showers there. Quebec, this line of storms Stretches all the way into Canada, actually. I didn't cover because I like to cover Canada last. There's a lot of area to cover. Just due to the precipitation. Quebec into central, kind of south central, just north of the Great Lakes. Some thunderstorms there. Southern portion of Manitoba and Saskatchewan, late scattered showers. Swift currents currently dry. Alberta, we do have some light rain showers in the western portion of Alberta. And then this stretches down through central BC and cross over to Vancouver Island here. So it looks like the north and western portion of Vancouver Island's getting some precipitation. Quickly switch to temperature, and then we'll look at the weather warnings in Missouri there. It's pretty cool in the northeast, down into West Virginia, and of course the south. As you get further south, we get warmer temps. Orlando, we've got 80. Miami's 84. Cape Coral's 82. Tallahassee 79. Columbia, South Carolina's 82. Raleigh, North Carolina 73. Richmond 75. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania is 73. Charleston, West Virginia's 70. Ithaca, New York 68. Albany's 70. Concord, New Hampshire's 68. Montpelier, Vermont 64. Boston 70. I don't know why it doesn't show Hartford. Hartford 70. Providence, Rhode Island 70. Portland, Maine 68. Bangor, Maine 66. Greenville, Maine's 52 degrees. Columbus, Ohio 75. Frankfurt 79. Kentucky. Nashville, Tennessee 75. Memphis, Tennessee 80 degrees. Knoxville 75. Johnson City 68. Indianapolis 75. Fort Wayne is 75. South Bend, Indiana 71 degrees. Detroit, Michigan's 77. Lansing 77 also. Grand Rapids 70 degrees. Traverse City 68. Newberry 66. Escanaba 66. Wisconsin, Milwaukee's 70. Madison 68. Green Bay 70. Ladysmith 66. Ashland 70. Duluth 71. Alright, let's see. Springfield, Illinois 71. Cedar Rapids 70 degrees. Des Moines, Iowa 66. Minnesota, Rochester 64. St. Paul's 68. Hibbing 70. Brainer's 71. International Falls is 70. Grand Forks 71, that's kind of on the state line there. North Dakota, Fargo's 71. Bismarck is 75. Williston is 77. South Dakota, Pierre's 71. Rapid City 73. Brookings 66. Sioux Falls 66. Nebraska's again 68 degrees. Scottsbluff 77. Kansas, Garden City's 82. Wichita's 80. Topeka's 60 or 73. Missouri, Jefferson City 75. Springfield 79. Look at Arkansas 88. Little Rock. Jackson, Mississippi is 84. Alabama. Huntsville is 75. Montgomery's 79. Atlanta's 79. Let's see. Raleigh, North Carolina's 73. Jacksonville 73. Columbia, South Carolina's 82. Orangeburg is 79. Savannah, Georgia is 80 degrees. Atlanta's 79. Macon's 80. Albany is 79. Brunswick's 79. Pensacola, Florida is 84. Panama City's 84. Tallahassee 79. Jacksonville 79. Palm Coast 77. Tampa's 82. West Palm Beach is 82. Miami's 84. Key Largo's 88. Naples is 86. New Orleans 86. Alexandria, Louisiana 86. Shreveport 89. Texas, Galveston's 86. Houston's 86. Corpus Christi 84 degrees there. Alpine, Texas 84. Abilene 89. Dallas is 98. Amarillo's 79. Lubbock 84. Just zoom in on that real quick. Let's see, Oklahoma, kind of skipped over a little bit. Oklahoma's 93. Oklahoma City's 93. Let's see, New Mexico, Santa Fe's 70. Farmington's 89. Gallup is 75. Albuquerque 86. Alamogordo 84. Carlsbad 95. Clovis 77. Tucumcari's 80. Colorado, Denver's 77. Durango's 71. Telluride's 57. This is in the Rocky Mountains here. Nice up there. Grand Junction's 88. Wyoming. Cheyenne 70 degrees. Wright 73. Lovell 84 degrees. Montana. Billings is 86. Miles City 84. Glasgow 82. Havre 80. Kalispell 75. Missoula 79. Dillon's 75. Bozeman's 75 degrees. Helena's 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Great Falls is 84 degrees. Washington is Seattle 75. Spokane is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Oregon, Salem 73. Medford 84. Basque 89. The Grand 77. California. Let's see. My map got away from me. It's alright. Got it back. Eureka's 59 degrees. Altura's 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Redding's 95. Sacramento's 91. San Jose is 75. Merced is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Gorda is 66 degrees there. Los Angeles 77. Bakersfield 98. Lake Havasu City. This area is 106. Las Vegas 106. Tonopah 88. Elko's 88. Winnemucca 88 degrees Fahrenheit. And Salt Lake City in Utah is 88. Delta is 91. Price is 77. Vernal is 84. Go ahead and look at Anchorage, Alaska here. 68 degrees Fahrenheit in Anchorage. Kilauea volcano is 70 degrees there. The Big Island. Honolulu's 80 degrees. Philippines. Manila's 86. Cebu City's 84. Puerto Princesa 84 degrees. Let's go ahead and quickly look at Europe and England, of course. London 62. Let's see here. Bradford's 53 degrees. Alnwick is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Dundee is 50. Aberdeen is 50. Inverness is 52 degrees Fahrenheit. Dublin, Ireland's 52. Cork is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Limerick's 52. Belfast 50. Paris is 64. Lyon 70. Nantes 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Berlin, Germany 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Hamburg 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Rome, Italy 79. Palermo's 77 degrees Fahrenheit. No, we don't often look at these temperatures, but just feel like looking over here right now. Vienna, Austria is 77. We'll get to Greenland in a second. Grindavik is 52. Reykjavik is 50. Okay, let's find the coldest temperature. Should be somewhere in this area. Use the picker here. See, 7 degrees there. 9, 11. I think 7 degrees is the coldest it's going to, we're going to see here. Now I lost that 7 degrees. There it is. 7 degrees, I think, is the coldest it is right now. 8, maybe. Yeah, I'm still seeing 7 up here, too. Wait, 5. Good thing I kept looking. I see 5 degrees there. I think 5 is it. It's kind of hard to differentiate. There's not really any landmarks there. Go ahead and look at a couple of the temperatures in Canada too. Quebec is 71. Halifax is 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Thunder Bay, 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Winnipeg, 70. Swift Current is currently 80. Calgary, Alberta, 79. Edmonton, 73. High level, 68. BC, Vancouver, 70. Kelowna is 86. Prince George is 66. Fort Hardy's 59. Anchorage, Alaska is 68. I think I already said that. I'm going to end up in our favorite spot tonight, as usual, unless somebody has a different request. We'll end at Toowoomba, Australia, with 62 degrees Fahrenheit. You hit one. I'm just looking at the chat real quick because I'm keeping a track. Hi, Mark the Shark, and Mike and Venus is here too. Ken, of course, is here. Thank you for everyone for showing. Jeff is here. Ski Man. Tiffany. I think possibly Galactic is lurking in the background. Tony's here. Hi. Thanks to everybody for watching, and hope everyone has a great evening. And I'll be live again tomorrow evening at 10:30.